All right, so today we are looking at page 2 of our CAS student book. So make sure you have your CAS student book out, and we're looking at page 2, and it looks like this. It's a big picture of our friend Cass in her kitchen. So today our job is going to be to investigate this picture, and we're looking to identify, to find words that begin with the letter C. But wait a second, this is a picture, it doesn't have any words. What are we gonna do? We have to say the things that we see out loud and see if we can hear that k, k, k sound. So let's get started. I've got my pen here. Maybe you can get out your pencil and do it with me. So let's see, what do we see here? I see lots of different things. I see a clock. That's a C sound. Oh, what's this? A calendar. That's a C sound. I see a big cabinet. That's a C sound. And we have our friend, Miss Cass. Cass is a C word, so we're going to circle Cass. What else do we see in this corner? I see that she has a bowl. Does bowl begin with the C sound? No, so we're not going to circle her bowl. I see she's also mixing with a spoon. Is spoon a C word? Does it start with the k sound? No, so we're not going to circle the spoon. How about some ingredients that she has here? What is this food? Carrots. Carrots. Are we going to circle her carrots? Yes, that's a C word. Carrots. Ooh, how about her cookbook? Have you ever used a cookbook before? It tells you the recipe of what you want to make. And cookbook starts with our C sound. So I'm going to circle her cookbook. Let's move on to the middle part of the picture. Now I see Cass has a window here. Does window begin with our letter C? They're not the same sound, so we're not going to circle the window, but she does have some curtains on it. What about curtains? Can we circle her curtains? Yes, curtains is a good sound. She has some plants in her curtains as well. What are those plants called? They're really prickly. Cacti or cactus. One cactus, two cacti. What about that? Should we circle those? Yeah, those are C words. Cactus. Let's move over here to her pictures. Does picture begin with letter C? No, we're not going to circle her pictures, but I do see that the pictures of the food inside these pictures does start with letter C. There's some corn, some carrots, and some cantaloupe. Those are all yummy seafoods. So we're going to go ahead and circle the food inside of the pictures. Now on her counter, there are some really cool tools that you can use in the kitchen. Let's investigate them. I see that Cass has made some cookies. That's a C word, cookies. And to make her cookies into shapes, she used cookie cutters. Cookie cutters are two C words. What's a cookie cutter? A cookie cutter is something where you can put it on top of the dough and it will turn your cookie dough into a shape. So when you bake them, they'll come out looking like a certain shape. And we're going to circle them because that begins with the letter C. Now we also have some more carrots and some more cookies, both more C words. Up here, we have some other kitchen tools. We have some candles. That's a C word. We have a colander. What's a colander? A colander can also be called a strainer. It's when you make something like noodles and you pour the water into that to get the noodles out of the water. It's like a bowl with lots of holes in it so the water comes out. A colander. We also have 2 teapots. Are teapots C words? No, so we're not going to circle the teapots. But there are some cups. That's a good C word. There's also a little cow. A cow also begins with letter C. Now over here, we have Cass's cat. Do you remember what her cat's name was? Coconut. Coconut the cat begins with letter C. So we're going to circle coconut. Now I think we found all of our C words. Nice job, you guys. I'm really glad we practiced together because now it's going to be your turn.